How to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure on how can you recover permanently deleted Gmail account. Now, recovering permanently deleted emails from your Gmail is generally not possible. Gmail automatically detects messages from the trash folder after 30 days, after which they are temporarily permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. However, there are some potential avenue to explore if you're looking ways to recover it. So what you need to do is, for that, first of all, you could actually go ahead and check the trash. So sometimes if you are lucky enough, you might be able to find it there. So open up your Gmail, tap on the trash bar, and then you want to go to trash. Here you should be able to locate it. So but if you are unable to find it, then what you could do is you could simply open up your browser. So here you want to type in account.google.com and you want to click on the link that appears here. As you do it so, you want to enter in the email address and tap on the next. As you do it so, you want to then enter in your name, and once you actually do it so, then moving on to the next field, you want to select the help category, and you could go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, and you could actually find or recover your account. If not, once the email is permanently deleted from the Gmail, meaning it's been deleted from your trash or from the 30 days as well, it is quite difficult to recover it. However, you could also try contacting the support team. For that, you could actually go ahead and you could just go ahead and type in recover and it should be able to help you out. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.